Hi, Denise. We meet again.
Yes, we meet again. We like we see each other soon. How is your business?
Oh, it's very good. You never let me down for so many years. Not only good quality, but also quality. Oh, and there is a problem. The color gel I bought from you last time is a little bit scent. I don't really like the fragrance. Is there any way you can remove it?
Yes, because we can have a new product with the same quality and tasteless. I can show this to you.
Okay. Oh, it really doesn't have any smell. I like it. I want to buy around 150,000 bottles of this one. And if you can make the color I gave you before, right?
Yes, of course we can. By the way, how was the quality you saw the last time?
Oh, it was very good. My clients are very satisfied. So I came to make an order again, but I need to choose the color.
Okay.
Do you have any new colors?
Yes, we have new colors of these. There are more quality colors. I know how many quality you want to buy this time.
I want to buy around 1,500 kilos.
Let's you to choose the colors.
Okay.
I will take it.